All right, here we go. I'm going to show you how to use ExamView. It should be on your laptop. It's this yellow one right here. You'll just double click on it. I wait for these very slow computers to load up. Or I should just say load, I guess. You're going to open an existing test. Remember, you need to have these emailed to you. And when you open up the tests, they kind of look like this with this little yellow part, I guess. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up an example now. If you want to, because these aren't going to be progress checks, if you want to make it, you know, practice on a certain skill, you can just double click on something like I just did. It says right now Unit 3 progress check. I might want to just write like practice or something, or whatever specific skill it is, and that will change the title right here. And then basically what you can do is you can delete, if you don't want to practice with these problems, you can just delete whichever ones you don't want. And then if you want to have more practice on a certain skill, like here I've got some frames and arrows, I can just right click and hit duplicate, and it should give me different practices like these here. So I could do a bunch of different problems. So here it says count up by 2s, count up by 5s. It even works, which is kind of neat, on these story problems. If you right click and duplicate, it'll give you a whole new problem here. So if you didn't want them obviously to practice the one from the test, you could just delete the one from the test, and then you have a new version here. Does that make sense? So again, just right click, duplicate, and you'll have another version. Now what's also really cool is that once you get whatever practice or the test you want, and you can do this for the regular unit planners too, when you go to print, let's see, sorry I'm holding this with my hand, you go to print your test, it's really neat because, I don't know if you can see this very well, try and hopefully it focuses, you can decide a number, how many versions you want. So say you have like 4 kids at a table and you want them to have the same test but in different order. You can click 4 and then just click scramble the questions so that one student, you know, their number 1 will be 4. But what's neat about it, and let me go ahead and do this so that I can show you. I really don't want to print it out. I wish I could view it. What happens is, well, I guess it shows you right here. When you print them out, they're labeled. So it's easy to sort and grade for you. So you've got like version A, version B, version C, version D, which are all actually the same test, just in different order. So anyway, that's a quick tutorial on ExamView, and it's great for practice sheets, exit slips, etc. All right, bye.